Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong November monthly reading. So let's see what's coming to you ngayong November 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment, paka-check nila information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Libra, what's coming to you ngayong November. Okay, you have Canas. Canas is about creativity. Maaring you will tap into your creativity, the fire in you So maaring you are feeling inspired to start something new ngayong November. Can be a project, a new job, a new career. And this is also about growth. So maaring yung mga bagay na nasimulan nyo na in the past, nakikita nyo na umuunlad ito, no? Nag-grow. So parang mas lalo kang napapump up na wow, ipagpapatuloy ko to, gagalingan ko pa, yung ganon. Let's say for example, you start a business. Nag-start ka ng business a few months ago. And ngayon nakikita mo na umuunlad yung business mo. Nag-grow na siya. So parang mas lalo kang na-inspire na galingan pa. This can apply to any job or field or career na meron kayo. Okay? This is also the aha moment. So maaring meron kang creative ideas na maiisip, like you want to try something new ngayong November. You have Berkanu. Berkanu is new beginnings. So it really makes sense. Maaring inspired ka na magsimula or explore yung mga ideas mo, creative ideas mo. Pwede ring paglipat ng bahay, paglipat ng trabaho, paglipat ng lugar, no? It's like relocation. Some of you will also have this energy of parang punong-puno ka ng punong-puno ka ng power, ng interest, determination, inspiration, na you can use that energy to create something great for yourself. And this will lead to great results actually. Kasi itong, this is, harvest. Okay, Yera. It's about rewards. It's about reaping the rewards ng mga trinabaho mo, mga sinubukan mo, mga ineffortan mo sa buhay. So you will definitely see the results of what you have worked for. Ayan. Let's see what else, Libra. Ngayong November 2024. Nurture. Yes. So this is about taking care of yourself. Maaring you will also focus on taking care of your family, yung sarili mo, yung needs mo, nurturing energy, no? Very feminine energy rin to. So, maaring you will do mga activities that will help you grow as a person, or maaring sa physical mo, no? Na mas mag-gym ka, or you will take care of yourself, like kakain ka ng healthy food, or kumbaga nandun ka sa control, you have the control of yourself because you want to take care of yourself. Okay? So pag maaring iiwas ka rin sa mga unhealthy habits, no? Kasi yung gusto mo ngayon na mas maalagaan pa yung sarili mo. You also have, itong death na to, wag niyong katakutan kasi this is just about, symbol lang to eh. It's a symbol of new beginnings, which makes sense kasi kanina sinabi na natin na new beginnings because of Berkanu. So, pwedeng merong chapter na mag-e-end for you because may mag-o-open na bagong chapter sa buhay mo. Ending sa new beginnings nga, 'di ba? So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magre-resign sa work, or merong matatapos na kontrata, and then may bago kayong ipupursue. Na yun yung reason rin kaya yung iba sa inyo may paglipat, may pag-travel, may relocate. You also have Serpent, which is about healing. You are healing. You are healing from your past. Yung iba sa inyo, pwede rin tong closure ng isang relationship or partnership, romantic man to or family or friend, na gusto mo na mag-move on, okay? Kasi gusto mo na ng bagong simula for yourself. So, that's part of your healing process as well. Let's see, ano pa. For Libra. Okay. You have the Star. Oh, itong Star, this is about yung pagtupad sa pangarap mo. Oo, marami ka ngayon na goal sa buhay, gusto mong ma-achieve, and you are feeling inspired. Yun ang nasa-sense ko sa inyo. In general, ngayong November, you will feel inspired to try new things, do the things that you want, na kahit na mag-isa ka lang, kaya mong gawin yon, na hindi mo kailangan ng ibang tao para magawa yon, because meron kang initiative and willingness na gawin yon. The Star is also about healing, so definitely you're healing. Kung meron kang mga naging issues in the past na parang yan yung nagiging blockage sa'yo, nagiging hadlang sa'yo para mag-grow, you are letting that go because you are embracing your new self. Okay? You have the Two of Cups. Some of you, if you are wishing or wanting to have a relationship, romantic relationship ngayong November, may possibility yan. Maaring merong dumating na new person sa buhay nyo. You also have the Five of Swords. Some of you, maaring ito yung i-heal ninyo. Yung naging conflict nyo with someone romantically, na parang feeling nyo devastated kayo, or yung iba betrayal kasi to eh. So, pwedeng you've been betrayed by someone and now na-realize mo na kung lagi mong dadalhin yung bitterness, sama ng loob, hindi ka mag-move on, 'di ba? So for you, you want to heal, you want to focus on your growth, you want to focus on your future. You also have the Four of Cups. I feel like major realization sa buhay mo. Kasi para siyang may tension around you na itong November, ito yung process of letting go, the process of releasing the things that are no longer serving your highest good. Kaya it will lead you to a new beginning, a new version of yourself, someone that is healed. Also the Two of Pentacles, I think you will make yourself busy ngayong November. Marami kang mga activities na gagawin that will help you improve your finances. Pwedeng may bago kang business or may bagong trabaho, may mga inaaral ka rin, may mga iba't iba kang sources of income, multiple sources of income. Ayan, meron ka talagang new direction. You are moving. You are moving. Yung iba sa inyo, lipat ng bahay. Lipat ng ibang lugar. You also have, ayan, I feel like ito yung ile-let go mo na. Kung meron kang mga love letters or mga bagay na you are still holding on to it kasi umaasa ka pa, no? I think ngayon, yung iba sa inyo literal susunugin nyo para, it's like a ritual sa inyo para i-release ang mga bagay na sa tingin nyo is tapos na kayo. O, diba? You are moving on. Merong emptiness dito, o moving on. Completion, endings. So, definitely, there is a new beginning for you. So, yung iba talaga, literal, lilipat ng bahay, lilipat ng lugar. Something new, para parang you will start fresh ngayong November. Okay? You also have family matters. So, maaring meron kang asikasuhin regarding your family. Can be your immediate family, extended family. And beware of great pride. Ayan. So, mag-ingat daw sa mga, yung mga taong merong, may niyayabang sa inyo. Oo. Or, minsan kasi parang, ayaw natin na, yung natatapakan yung ego natin. Hayaan nyo sila kung gusto nila magyabang sa inyo. Ang importante, kilala nyo yung sarili nyo. Alam nyo yung mga kaya nyong gawin. Hindi na naman kailangan may patunayan pa sa ibang tao. Kasi ang kailangan nyo lang patunayan, yung sarili nyo, no? Sa sarili nyo rin. Perfect trust will be rewarded with its like. Ayan. So, this is trusting yourself. Pagtitiwala sa sarili mong kakayanan na hindi mo kailangan ng approval ng ibang tao para lang magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. Yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo is sapat na for you to be strong, for you to move on, for you to move forward and start something new. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye.